For this one, the measures of the angles are shown in the diagram. The thing you have to remember is from 7th grade. We did this a little bit in 8th grade, but there's 180 degrees in a triangle. So once you know that, you can write your equation because it says, what is the value of x? So you would say, oh, 30, this angle, plus 3x minus 9, that angle, plus 24, this angle, all has to equal 180. Then you're just solving an equation. So now I would say, okay, so I have 3x, doesn't have any like terms, but 30 and 24 gives me 54, and take away 9 gives me 45. So you have 3x plus 45 equals 180. So now it's a two-step equation. You subtract your 45 from both sides, and you end up with 3x equals, so you've got your 180 minus 45, you get your 135. Divide both sides by 3, and you'll have x equals 45 degrees. So you have your choice. What is the value of x? Choice C.